Hey guys, welcome to another video with me. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your Meta app all the way to configure your HTTP request in order to create your AI agent and connect it to your Facebook Messenger. So for this, we need to have a Meta application. Just head over to this website, developers.facebook.com, and you need to create a developer account for yourself. You can just log in or sign up with your personal Facebook account, and once you're done, you will be on this page. From here you can create your app, and as you can see, I don't have any apps here, so let's just create together. So just click on create app, and then here we need to configure some questions. So here is asking for application name. You can just give it whatever it is. I'm just putting for test. You can also put your contact email. I'm just keeping as default. So here we need to choose what exactly this app does. So here we can create and manage app ads for Meta Ads Manager. We can launch a game, authenticate and request data from user with Facebook login, but none of these are working for us today. So just scroll all the way down and choose other. So once you choose other, click next. And on this page, we need to select our app type. So if you want to connect your Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp or Instagram, then you need to choose a business one. So just click on business and click next. So here you need to make sure everything's all right, app name, the email, and if you have any business portfolio that you want to connect this app to, feel free to do it from here. Right now I have 3, but I don't want to connect it to any business portfolio. So I'm going to keep it as it is and create app. So now our app is created, but there are a few things before we can connect it to our AI agent. So mainly I'm going to use this app for our messenger, so we can talk to our users inside our Facebook Messenger. So just click on setup, and it will take you to this page, Messenger API setup. So we need to first configure our webhook. So webhook is a way that we can receive our messages inside our Facebook Messenger. So here we need a callback URL and a verified token. So here is exactly the second step. We already done the first one. Now we are going to configure our webhook. But in order to configure our webhook, we also need to have an n8n account. So I assume you already have an n8n account, but if you don't have, I'm going to show you how you can create one. Instead of using n8n Cloud or just running n8n locally on your computer, you can use Hostinger. Hostinger is a platform where it allows you to self-host n8n without writing a single line of code, and it is super easy to set it up. Using Hostinger will allow you to unlock unlimited workflows, which you don't get it when you are using n8n Cloud. It also allows you to launch unlimited concurrent executions, and also you will access to community nodes. And right now they are offering 61% off, but I will also show you a way where you can also get another 10% discount. So in general, 71% off. Isn't that crazy? So here you see that they have these plans, and with only $6.99, basically $7 a month, you can get your n8n up and running. But if you are going to use cloud, you see that the minimum you have to pay is $20 per month, and you get 2,500 workflow execution per month, which is kind of not what you want if you are running your AI agents or AI automations 24/7. So let's just forget about n8n Cloud and just get back to Hostinger. So I put a link down in the description. Just click on that link and start creating your account. So once you click on that link, you will get to this page, and from here you can choose your plan. I suggest you to choose KVM2 because this is the best deal and this is only a limited time. So just go ahead and click on choose plan, and here on this page you need to submit your order. And as you can see, you can choose your period, which is 1 month, 12 months and 24 months, which I'm currently using, and I'm suggesting you to do so because with this one you will get to save more than $264. And since Hostinger was kind enough to sponsor this video, you can use my code in order to get additional 10% off. So just come here and under this coupon code, just type alitala and then just apply it. So you will see that you will get additional 10% off. So as you can see, this is our total bill, and you see how much we are paying for 2 years. This is so great. Next, you need to choose your server location. They almost have data center anywhere in the world. For better performance, you need to choose the one that is super close to you. So as you can see, in the Europe, the closest to me is Germany with the lowest latency. So just click the best one for you. And then we need to choose our operating system. So you need to go to application and choose n8n. And don't worry, the setup is super simple. I'm going to show you how you can do it under 2 minutes. So just confirm it. And from here, you need to click continue. And now you need to create your account. Just use your email address and the password, or just sign in with your Google account. Once you're done creating your account, just come to your home dashboard and you will see your n8n VPS here. Just click on manage, and you have all this information that n8n otherwise won't give you. So this is another advantage using Hostinger. And from here, you need to click manage account. And if you're coming for the first time, then you need to create an account for yourself inside n8n, just username and password. But for me, you can see that I'm already inside my app. So go ahead and click on that link in the description, create your account on Hostinger, and don't forget to use this code to get additional 10% off. Let's get back to the video. So now we are inside our n8n account, and from here we need to choose our first step. So the first step is to receive our webhook data. So click on this plus button, and from here you can just type webhook, and you will see the second option. So just click on it, and here we can configure our settings. So here we have test URL and production URL, but right now we are testing, so we only use the test URL, and the method for it is get. So you see that we have also different methods, but I'm going to tell you which ones you need to use. For now you can keep it on get, and all you have to do is to just copy this URL by clicking on it, and then just go back to Meta and paste it here. So verify token, we need to put a verify token, just think as a password. So just type whatever it is. I'm just gonna type test 1234. Before we hit verify and save, we need to go back to n8n again and click on this button here. It says listen for test event. So now our webhook is listening for data to arrive from Meta. So go back to Meta and click verify and save. So we got an error. It says the callback URL or verify token couldn't be validated. So please try again. But don't worry, we already have received some information inside our webhook. So this is all the necessary information that Meta sends us. So if you also change it from table view and to JSON, you will see that these are the information. So why we got an error? Because once we click verify and save, Meta will send some information to this address with this verify token that we sent. So this is the way that Meta authenticate this connection. And besides that, it will also send us a password which its name is hop.challenge, and it expects, and Meta wants us to return this password to them so they can make sure that we are the right person who are using this connection. So the first thing that we need to do is to check if that this connection is authenticated or is using by us. So the next step is to bring an if node. So if you click on this plus button, and from here you can bring an if node here, and inside the if node we're gonna kinda create a logic for it. So the logic I'm creating is I'm just saying that hop.mode needs to be equal to subscribe, exactly what Meta is sending us. And I need to add another condition where I say that hop.verify token, which I put it inside Meta, it also should be the same as test 1234. So once these conditions are true, then we're gonna click execute a step, and here you see that we have true branch and false branch. So everything is as we want, and it goes to true branch. If something has a problem or someone else is trying to use our webhook URL, then if they don't know this subscribe and test 1234 password, then it will go to the false branch, and the connection will not establish. After we authenticate our connection, then we're gonna have to respond back to Meta with that number or password. So the next step is to bring a respond to webhook. So this is a respond to webhook, and we can respond to webhook by many methods, like with incoming items or binary file or first incoming items, but all we have to do is to just scroll down and respond with a text message. So inside the text message response body, just change it to expression, and you need to drag this hop.challenge and put it exactly inside the response body. So now what is happening, Meta is sending us some information inside our webhook. Then we will see if this is us, we are trying to use this connection, and if it is true, if it is us, then we will send that password back to Meta and say that, hey, this is us, please verify our connection. So now we are responding with this webhook, and if you open here the first node, you will see that the response is immediately. So this means that once we receive data, immediately with this first node, we will send the data back to Facebook. But this is not correct, and we need to change it. So click on this one, and you will see that using a respond to webhook node. So click on this. So now we need to save, and we need to execute the workflow. Now the webhook is listening for data. So let's go back to Meta again and click on verify and save. All right, as you can see, our connection has been established. Everything is fine. We receive the data, it goes to true branch, and we send the password back to Meta. So if you go here, you will see that under the page, you will see that our callback URL and the verify token is here. All right, so now we have done configuration of our webhook, and all we have to do is to just scroll down and see what type of information we want to receive. So here we have different information that we can receive, but right now I just want to show you how we can receive messages and send messages back to the user. So all you have to do is to just find the messages here and make sure you are using the latest API version. And right now it is unsubscribed, but we need to subscribe it. So this means that I want to receive messages from my page. There are also other things that you can subscribe, but right now I don't need anything else, so I only need to get messages. So scroll down until you see the second step. So now the second step is to connect a Facebook page to generate an access token. So here we need to connect the Facebook page that we want to receive message and send messages to the user. So here click on connect. It will pop up this page for you that you need to log into your Facebook account. Just continue as it is, and here you can choose which page you want to use this webhook, or if you don't know exactly what pages you need to use, you can just opt in to all the current and future pages. So I'm just going to do this. Click connect, save, and now our Facebook page is connected to our webhook. So let's just scroll down and close this first step, and you see that under the second step we have these two pages that I have. So but right now the webhook subscription is not subscribed to anything. We need to also choose a subscription from here. So add subscription here, and all we need to do is to just receive messages. So there are also other things. Just feel free to check everything, whatever you need. Just make sure that you check the messages and click confirm. So once you click confirm, from here you can click on generate the access token, and here it will give you the access token, but make sure to keep it safe and do not share it with anyone else. As they say here, to protect your security, only share this token with app developers you trust. So, and make sure that it only shows you once, so just copy it and paste it somewhere else. Keep it safe. So now that we have our access token generated, we can go back to n8n and we can start building our AI agent. But remember, all of the messages that are coming to our webhook, they come under the post method, not the get method. So what we can do in order to have both of them, we can go to settings and we can allow multiple HTTP methods, turn it on, and you will see that now we have HTTP methods, get and post, both of them together. So from here we can start building our agent. But before that, let's just go to Facebook. I send the message and you'll see how we can get this inside our post branch. All right, now I'm on my Facebook, and here I'm just gonna say hello. But before that, let's just go here and make sure that we are listening for data, and let's just send it. We should be receiving it here inside our webhook. All right, as you can see that we got one item here inside our post branch. So let's just open it. And if you see here under the post branch, we have one item. If you scroll down under the message as a text, we got hello. So now we can start building our AI agent. The next thing is to just give this message to our AI agent. So click on this plus button, type AI agent, and we can bring an AI agent here. So we need to change the source. Right now the source is a chat trigger node. We are not using a chat trigger node. Change it to define below. And from here, you need to say what is the prompt or user message. So just change it to expression and scroll down under the left menu. And all you have to do is to just take this message and put it here. So now this means that once a user sends us a message, we will give this message to our AI agent. We can also give our agent a system prompt under this add option. You see that it says system message. By default, it says you are a helpful assistant. I'm just going to keep it as it is. I don't want to make things overcomplicated for you. I just want to show you how these things are working. So let's just go back. Now we need to give our agent a brain or chat model. Here I'm going to use OpenAI, and this is my account connected. If you don't have a connected account, just go to platform.openai.com, create one account for yourself and get your API key, and come back here and set your credentials. So right now I'm just going to use GPT 4.1 mini as my brain for AI agent. And pretty much AI agent is done. It can produce an answer. So if we run our AI agent, we should be getting an answer. So now agent is working, it is done. We received one output. It says, hello, how can I assist you? So now I want to grab this message and send it back to the user inside the chat. So now the agent is done, and the next thing is to configure our HTTP request. So with HTTP request, we can get that message from our AI agent and send it back to our a user. So the next thing is to bring an HTTP request. So type here HTTP request, and here we need to configure our connection. But if you don't know how to do that, don't worry. If you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can download this template for completely free. So you can just bring it inside your n8n and just connect your credentials and everything is ready to go. So we need to now configure our HTTP request. So right now we are looking at meta documentation, and they are saying how we can send this message back to the user by using the HTTP request node. So here we are going to use a post method, and here is the exact address URL that we have to send. So just copy this one and go back to n8n, put it here. The method should be post. And now we need to configure some things here. So this is the API version as in our application. You saw it, I show you. It should be v23.0. So just keep it as it is. And here we need the page ID, and our action is messages, and then we need to put our access token, the one that we generated. So how we can do that? We can just get this information from our webhook. So let's just change it to expression and make it bigger so we can see. So here for the page ID, we need to remove here, and we need to put our page ID. If you scroll down here, you will see we have sender and we have recipient. So for the first time the user sent us a message, they are sender, and the recipient is us getting the message. So we need to put this ID here between this, and the result will show like this. So the action is the message and the access token. So now we need to remove this one and put our access token here. So let's just paste it here, and let's go back, see how we can send. So this is exactly the JSON body that we have to send to Meta. But we also have another header that is the content type application/JSON. So let's just also configure this. Under the header, we have to send the headers, and the name for it is content type, and the value for it should be application/JSON. All right, we're gonna also send the body. We're gonna send the JSON and using JSON. So let's go back to the documentation, grab this one. This is the exact body that we need to send. Just copy here and change it to expression because we want to put some expressions here. So let's just make it open. So now we need to configure the recipient. This is the person who we are sending a message to, and we need to put their ID, and we need to put our message also. So here we need to put the message from agent. So let's just do the user, just remove this and open your webhook. So this time here we need to put the sender ID because this is the person who sent us the message. So we are saying that we are sending this message to this person, and the messaging type is response, and the message itself, it should be the output from the agent. So let's just remove this, open your agent and the output, put it here. All right, so now if I click this execute step, we'll go back to the Facebook, and you will see that we got a message back inside my chat. So let's just click execute step and go here, and boom, there you go. You see that I have received a message. Hello, how can I assist you today? This is exactly the message from our agent. All right, all these steps are done, and if you want to use our AI agent without just coming to n8n and click execute workflow every time, we can just activate this workflow and start using it. But right now the workflow is active, but we are not gonna probably receive anything because here remember we are using the test URL, and we need to switch it to production URL. So the only difference between test URL and the production URL is only this test. So right now the workflow is active. We can go back to our Meta app, and from here you will see that this test, we can just remove it and just put our verify token here again and click verify and save. So it will just verify and save by itself. Now let's just change it to page. You see that everything is here. We are also subscribed to the messages, and our page also should be connected. So let's just check that. All right, our page is also connected. So one more thing is left. We need to switch this app mode from development to live. So just click here, and if it is the first time that you are creating a Meta app, you will probably get this message. So it says that you must provide a valid privacy policy URL in order to take your app to the live mode. So what we have to do is to go to the app settings, to the basic, and you will see that the privacy policy URL. So I'm just going to tell you a way you can just do it this way. Just ask ChatGPT to give you a very simple privacy policy, put it in a Google Doc and upload it into your Google Drive, make it public, and get the URL and put it here. So once you put it here, you can save the changes, and we can just skip this verification with Meta. Now our privacy policy is there. We can push our Meta app to the live mode. Alright, so now the app is live inside the n8n. Also the workflow is live. We can just go to our Facebook and just talk to our agent. So I can just say hello again, and we should be getting a message anytime soon. All right, it says hello, welcome back, how can I assist you today? So I'm just gonna show you one cool thing. So I'm just gonna say my name is Ali, and then I'm just gonna ask our agent again my name to see if agent can remember my name. So it says hello Ali, how can I assist you? So I'm just gonna ask, what is my name? Probably it doesn't have any context for the conversation history, and it cannot, it says that I'm sorry, but I don't know your name, because every time we send a message, it goes to a new chat with our agent. So what we can do is just to go back to n8n and give our agent a memory so it can remember the chat always. You can use a simple memory here, and from here you need to just again disconnect it from chat trigger node, and choose the define below. Here we need to set a key. So this is a key that agent will always look and find the user in order to see the history. So you can choose whatever you want here from the input that is coming from webhook, but I suggest you to use the sender ID, because this is every time the same. So this means that every time it will look for the same sender ID or same user, and it will check for the previous messages. For the context window length, you can do whatever you want. I always do it for like 10, but feel free to do it if you want to put it for more or higher number. This is only for the past interactions for the model to receive as the context. So now our agent has the memory. Let's just save it and go back here. Let's just say that my name is Ali. Okay, it says hello Ali, how can I help you? And let's just ask again, what's my name? This time it should remember my name. All right, yeah, you see that it says your name is Ali, how can I help you further? All right guys, that's it. This is the complete step-by-step walkthrough in order to build your AI agent and connect it to your Facebook Messenger, and to be able to receive messages and send messages back to the user. There are also other actions that you can take inside the Messenger, like the typing indicator or sending some quick replies or some different actions. For that, I already created another video. I'm just going to put it somewhere up on this video. You can just click and watch. There I explained all the actions available inside Meta that you can just give your agent to do that. And if you want to download this template for completely free, you can join my WAP community. The link to it is down in the description. Once you join the community, you can go to the free resources and you can find the JSON file and download it and bring it inside your n8n. I also have another community for you if you want to learn how to build AI agents, AI voice agents, and AI automations. Here we have n8n masterclass, WAPI masterclass, and we also have weekly live calls where we jump on a call and troubleshoot all of your problems. So definitely check it out, and if you have any questions, you can just connect with me inside the community and talk to me. Alright guys, that's it for this video. This is how you can create AI agents and connect it to your Meta app and to be able to receive messages inside your Facebook Messenger. So now just go ahead and download this template, and from here click on these three dots and import the file here, and this will be here for you. You just need to connect your credentials. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you found value, and if you did, just give it a like. It really helps me to show this video to more people like you. And if you have any ideas or questions or want to see more tutorials like this, just put it down in the comment section. I'll be reading them and answering them as soon as possible. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video.